You just found the 2023 Acura Integra. This powerful Integra is all about premium style and satisfying performance. Its spirited manners, upscale interior, desirable infotainment features, impressive safety scores, and of course, its knockout looks let you take a new sense of excitement along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, power passenger seat, active suspension, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Get the style and performance you've been looking for in this striking Integra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.